drugstore. And I love y'all. So now I'm going to move into part B. Put that up. Okay, so we did a combination look of the Sassy by Savannah, her new full face kit, which I did like, and a couple of drugstore items that I really did like from Maybelline. And then tomorrow I will do her second palette, the other palette that's just the eye palette, and I will use this Revlon liner that I got. So we'll see that tomorrow. And then for let's do, tell me I did not lose it. Please, 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 please. I don't see it. Y'all, I don't see it. I got so much stuff on my desk to show y'all. Look at this. I need to really get my other room complete so that I can have things properly organized when I come to doing all this. I do not see my eyelash curler. That's what's wrong with me right now. That's why I'm being a big baby. And I'm like, wah, wah, wah. No eyelash curler. And it was here yesterday. I mean, it was right here. There it is. Found it. It's under this tissue. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but are y'all having real allergy problems right now? I am. Okay, I'm going to sit that down. Look, I'm sitting it right here on my desk, so I can't lose it. But I did want to show you a couple other things I've gotten. This was my Sprouts haul. And I got this Sia Sensitivity Fluoride Toothpaste for Sensitive Teeth, Fresh and Fab, Soothing Mint Flavor, and this is by Hello. And y'all, I like it so far. So for a fluoride toothpaste, which there is controversy about whether or not you should have fluoride, I'm not going there because I'm not smart enough, but I can, if you're interested, comment below. I do have some sites I can post if you're interested about it, and make your own decision. Obviously, you want to take good care of your teeth, and your dentist will tell you that fluoride is necessary to build enamel. I'm not going there. So anyway, I am trying this, and so far I really liked it. Has it helped my teeth not be sensitive? I can't tell yet. I only used it for 2 days, and I did eat some ice cream last night, and it didn't hurt. Let's see. But I also got this Sebastian Shaper brushable hairspray for my purse. Just I like to have little size hairsprays. And you know what else? There was something I was going to show y'all. Okay, I wanted to show y'all this because I had to do it anyway. And so I want to show you how this works. This is Color Wow, okay? And it is a root cover-up. This is in dark blonde. And this brush I actually have from the Joan Rivers Beauty, which I got that one, which was a brush root cover-up through Soft Surroundings, and that's where I found that. But this is what it looks like. You can see I've used it a good bit. It comes with this little brush, but I like that this is longer. And you can, I'm just using the fallout. Whenever I have fallout, I leave it. I don't blow it off. I just leave it because this is expensive, and you use it up so quick. But definitely does make a difference. So do y'all see right there? Let's see, is it there? I noticed earlier today it was very thin. No. It is where? It's about right there. It's looking very gray. And so I thought, well, I'll just show them how I fix it. Just go over it. And also I feel like I'm looking pretty gray back here. Right there. And you literally just kind of brush it in, and it kind of blends onto the root and to your scalp. And so it kind of makes what was y'all, you can even see that. Now, do you see how it's a little bit yellow looking? In the sunlight and bright light, because these are bright show lights here, it will show out the actual color. That's why I liked the other one, which was like a light brown, because this almost has like a goldy yellow look. I do like this in low light, but on these lights, like I said, you literally part your hair. I'm going to do one just so you can see it. You part your hair, like I use a tip end, and kind of pull it back and down, and just do right in there like that, where it is. then kind of run my hands through it, and it kind of evens it out. This is, the more I look at it, this is very, I didn't like it the first time I got this one because it looks goldy in the pan, and I thought that's going to look funny. But in my dressing area, which is not quite as bright, it looked good. But now that I've got that light on, which means if you were in the sunlight, that is the color that other people would see. So I'd go with one shade darker.